Taas naman tayo. Saan kaya? Wala dito. Taas tayo. Kami apartment dito. Crossbite. Dito pala. Daming parking dito. Pensiun dik. Si Kanjer. Kisa na ikan dia? Head. Department head. Department head ninyo. Sa nautical department. Bago na, bago. Kumusta ang kuan? Kumusta ang pag-aral? Mataas ang major subject?
Ito lang.
Si Kanjer na mo'y collision.
Mana, cancel na first year.
Wala collision 1, 2, 3 ana.
Nagiusa na sa cancel na kuan.
To kabisado na ninyo ang kuan. Rules of the road.
Oh.
Mo ba?
Dili pa ka. Na pa naman na klase nga. Full rigs sa mga kuan.
Nakoy question ha. During when the vessel not under command, what will you do during night time?
Night time not under command.
If the vessel not under command, what will you do during night time?
Under command?
Not under command during night time.
Wala siya lukat, wala kanan. Wala, captain.
not under command man, so na crew na diya. Na tanan crew. So what will you do first? If the vessel not under command during night time.
Magpano ko? Standby din, magpano counter. Magpano tong...
Like kanina lang. During night time, not under command. If the vessel not under command, what light should you waste? Or
Light?
what the signal of the light?
Bang light ito na.
You use.
Green kay starboard din ang red yung port side.
Not under command man siya.
White? White? Tama ka na kayo, memorize mo nung gulagod.
Light ha, light. Ang subject ay light. Oh. What signal you will use during night time if the vessel not under command? So ito pa, ang makina patay. Oh.
Ay, patay. Hindi ka puso. Light. Takta. Light good. Sige ito. Win, sige na win. Pag not under command, win, wala yung...
There's a... Okay. Ay, ay. Alas 10 pa man mo open ang kwan. Sige. At under command.